Hello everybody. So today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about the light. So now I will show you how to answer. Find an equation for the light where the plane x plus y equals to z meets the plane y plus z equals to x. So now I will show you how to answer. So for example, we have two planes in here. So this one, that's it for this plane. I will put about alpha. This one, that's it about beta. The line they want to find, that is about this one. So first thing we need to do, we need to find about the normal vector of beta and normal vector of alpha, because we know that both of them in here, they will have about one vector in the cross section between alpha and beta in here. About this one, we put z go to the left. So the normal vector of alpha in here, that is about 1, 1, negative number 1. We use about coefficient of x, y, and z. About beta, we put x go to the left. So this one, that is about negative number 1, positive number 1, positive number 1. Now we need to find the cross section. So we need to use about the matrix in here. This one we need to have the negative. So this one we put 1, negative number 1, 1, 1, because this is for x. So we need to hide about this one, and we have 1, negative number 1, and 1, 1. When we go to this one is about positive, negative, positive in here. So we need to negative side for y. Y we need to hide about this one, so we have 1, negative number 1, and negative number 1, positive number 1. And the last one, that's it for z. So we have 1, 1, negative number 1, and number 1. So we have the formula in here. So we will multiply by a with d minus b with c. Now we can apply in here. So 1 with 1, we have positive number 1, minus 1 with negative number 1. So we have positive number 1. 1 plus 1, we have number 2. This one we have positive number 1. This one we have negative number 1. Because negative with negative, we have positive. However, we have another negative side. So this one we have 0. This one we have 1 with 1 is about 1. Negative with negative, 1 with 1, we have positive number 1. So we have number 2. So this vector in here. We have 2, 0, number 2. So we can get the final answer in here. So we have 2t, 0t, 2t. The next point in here, I will choose about 0, 0, and 0, because 0, 0, and 0, when we put in here, you got 0. That means this point in here belongs to this plant and this plant. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.